Hey my friends, this is a little video to say that I finished my last meal of water, some rice milk and some dates, and that's it. Oh, half a banana. And I had the same earlier with, yeah, just all I've eaten all day today is just fruits, basically speaking. Outside, yeah, I had the same earlier without a half a banana, so just the same three ingredients there. I had some peaches earlier, two peaches, and I also had maybe one and a half avocados, possibly, maybe one and a third avocados. All by itself, nothing added whatsoever, just 100% pure avocado with a spoon. I didn't eat the spoon though, but I was tempted because it was made of steel. I thought it would digest easily. Just kidding. And what else do I have today? I intermittent like water fasted for around the first 2 hours, 15 minutes. Yeah, I had maybe around like a nectarine, or not a nectarine, a mandarin, maybe two mandarins for breakfast. Eventually for breakfast, I was with my daughter on the beach, my toddler, so that was really good. So that's how I broke my fast. I really want to get into intermittent fasting and water fasting, even like day to day, build it up to like longer water fasts. I want to sort of take a leaf from Loren Lockman because he did an amazing job of healing his body, and in my opinion, like he's got one of, if he's got up there to very highs, one of, if not the tremendous mental articulation. And he's 61, I think, years young. He's done over 1,000 days of water fasting. He learned himself, but now he doesn't. He recommends people like be supervised, and I understand why, and I would agree with him. I'm never going to recommend people do like long water fasts by themselves, given the state of humanity and the human body. And yeah, that's all I really want to say. So it's around 5:15. I finished my last drink slash meal. And what else did I have today? I also had. God, is that all I had? I feel full right now. I overdrank. Oh, jeepers. I have a little bit of a lower sore right back from picking up my toddler incessantly. My goodness gracious me. So much activity. Anyway, lots of love, my friends. I hope this video helps, and I just encourage you to do intermittent fasting, not to overeat, and to realize energy isn't that about always eating tons. It's about becoming really good digestion, absorption, utilization, and elimination. So, hope that helps. Lots of love for now.